And Victor Osimhen coming to Chelsea. In fact, he is the, like, I don't know why, guys. Everybody want Osimhen to come to Chelsea, except the owners. They are quiet. Everybody. Some few fans are still that debating Dila what and why. And for them, don't take them serious. If you don't see Osimhen coming to Chelsea, or you don't want Osimhen to come to Chelsea, then I don't think you want the progression of Chelsea. Because are you telling me that Jackson can be my striker, our striker next season? Yes, that means you are telling me that. Because if you are bringing Dilap, what showed that Dilap is better than Jackson? Even the Ekitike just want to sign. For me, unless he come and prove for me, I see. If you are talking about Dilap, even if Chelsea will sign Dilap, I will still sign Osimhen. Because Dilap hasn't proven it. Yes, for me to be reliable on him, for me to trust him, to give him the shirt or the position as my Chelsea number 9. Next season, I'm playing Champions League. I need experience. I need a striker who can give me at least 25 to 30 goals per season striker. So Osimhen is all the way. And luckily, Chelsea will start the negotiating to extend Moses Caicedo contract. In fact, guys, Chelsea should give Caicedo lifetime contract. I'm telling you. Lifetime contract. Give him life until when he want to leave Chelsea. Because this season, Caicedo pocketed everybody across Europe. Like, I can't compare Caicedo to any player across Europe. Yes, be it La Liga, Italy, where Germany, no. Want to talk of the Premier League. Hi guys, welcome to Football Lions. This is your boy Richman. In fact, guys, when I wake up this morning, guys, something shocked me and something surprised me. Because of the way Chelsea fans, we celebrated this top 4. Because of the way Chelsea fans, we celebrated Chelsea qualifying for top 4 next season. Yes, I was shocked. I said to myself, what am I seeing and what am I hearing? Chelsea fans, we are celebrating top 4 like Chelsea win Champions League or Chelsea win Premier League title. I said, no. This is not our tradition. And I remember again and said, maybe when you look at where we came from, yes, how the season was about to end. In fact, things was looking scary. Things was not looking good at all. 66, 63, 66, 66, 1 point different, 2 points different, goals different. So when you look at the way the season was ending, it wasn't looking at the end of the day, Chelsea will even make top 5. At the end, Chelsea made top 4th, the traditional 4th. And even when you look at since December, yes, our games, our performance, since December up to, yes, this month, May, things has been decreased. Our performance, yes, just reduced. And we are no more having that Cole Palmer we used to know. Nicola Jackson can't score anymore. Our attackers can't score anymore. Our manager coming out with that team selection that he want. Yes, playing players out of position. So when you look at the journey wasn't easy. Obstacles, constraints on the way, all over the journey. So maybe that is one of the reasons why Chelsea fans we celebrated this top 4 as if we win Champions League or Premier League title. I'm telling you. And also when you look at the ending fixtures, Chelsea to play against Liverpool, Chelsea to play against Manchester United, Chelsea to play against Newcastle, Forest and co. In fact, so many fans will lose hope on this, that Chelsea is not getting even 1 point from these games. At the end of the day, Chelsea will beat Liverpool, will beat Man U. That Newcastle game, if not because of Jackson fuck off, I don't think Chelsea, even if would have lose the game, not the 3 points, at least draw 1 point. So we'll beat Liverpool, Man U, and we'll beat Forest. And when you look at this Forest team this season, in fact, they were on form of their life. Yes, they spent most of their time on the top 4. I'm telling you, yes, they were on form, playing well. That is why their owner was giving the pressure for them to qualify top 4 because, in fact, they spent most of their season in the top 4. And Forest home, last day, Premier League, win and qualify for Champions League. Another scary moment again. Chelsea go to Forest home, beat Forest. Forest this season who made it difficult for the league winners, the league leaders, Liverpool. Go to that Forest home as Chelsea, inexperienced Chelsea, young Chelsea, Maresca Chelsea. Go to Forest home and beat Forest and qualify for Champions League. And then the world started talking. Chelsea cannot qualify. Chelsea cannot beat Forest. Chelsea cannot make top 4. Chelsea will play Conference League again next season. We went to Forest home. Yes, we gave it to them. I said it we are going to their home to cut all the trees in their forest. And that is what exactly Chelsea did. Yes. And even the way Chelsea win this game, that makes me happy. I'm telling you, like, we just won the game comfortable. Comfortable win. Comfortable lead. Like, we won and dominated. For me, I was thinking maybe during the 70th to the 80th in Forest, they will came all out trying to equalize the goal. But during the 70th to the 80th, go and check the game. Yes, we control everything. Yes, our play, they were calm on the ball. Tosin and Co, Caicedo and Co. Yes, they were calm doing the normal passes. Yes, we were not shivering. Yes. So, guys, once again, big congratulations to Chelsea, all the players. And also, let's give a big credit to Enzo Maresca. Enzo Maresca, when you look at the past, Liverpool up to now, Liverpool game, Manchester United, Newcastle game, I can tell you, Enzo Maresca, like, everything worked for him. His substitution, his team selection, his lineup, it works. That Newcastle game, as I said, even not Jackson red card, I don't think Chelsea would have lost that game. So, a big credit. Let's give a big credit to Enzo Maresca for doing things so far in recent games. So, guys, maybe that is why Chelsea fans will celebrate this top 4 as if we win Champions League and we win Premier League. Yes. So, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this game. Yes. And let's come to the topic of the day, the most important transfers in Chelsea camp. And before we go there, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to tell another Chelsea fan about this channel, Football Lions. And one of the transfers from Chelsea camp, as the season ended, guys, Chelsea will continue to extend Moses Caicedo contract. Chelsea will start the talking. Chelsea will start the negotiating to extend Moses Caicedo contract. In fact, guys, Chelsea should give Caicedo lifetime contract. I'm telling you. Lifetime contract. Give him life until when he want to leave Chelsea. Because this season, Caicedo pocketed everybody across Europe. Like, I can't compare Caicedo to any player across Europe. Yes, be it La Liga, Italy, where Germany, no. Want to talk of the Premier League. So, guys, now Chelsea to extend Moses Caicedo contract as the season ends. Yes, and maybe Chelsea will increase his wages also, because that is the new policy in Chelsea. If you perform well, they are going to increase your contract, extend your contract, and increase your wages as they did to Cole Palmer. So, guys, that is the latest or one of the latest information from Chelsea camp. And let's move to the crucial, the most important one. Chelsea to give us a striker. Chelsea to sign as a striker. Osimhen, Victor Yogris, Ekitike, Caicedo, as we are speaking now on the list of Chelsea. And the information said that Chelsea started talking to Frankfurt for Ekitike, and they said they want 80 million. Yes, so now they are doing the negotiating. It looks like the player want to join Chelsea. Ekitike, for personal terms, is not an issue. He want to come, but now the fee is an issue here, a little bit issue here, because that 80 million, for me, I think is too much. Because this kind of strikers, I would say it is risky signing. We don't know what he will come and do or bring to us. So paying that exorbitant fee, big fee, yes, signing a striker who hasn't proved it. Like, who doesn't have the numbers to back up, yes, his fee, market value. So for me, I'm fear. I don't want to see something like Lukaku issue, Modric issue, pay exorbitant fee. At the end of the day, yes, we are not seeing anything from the player. So, guys, as we are speaking now, Chelsea and Frankfurt are in talks to sign Ekitike, 80 million. Let me hear from you under the comment section, guys, about this striker. Do you think Chelsea need him? Do you think Chelsea should go and sign him? And let's come to Victor Osimhen. In fact, as I said, Osimhen is still on the list of Chelsea, the possible strikers Chelsea may sign, guys. And Victor Osimhen coming to Chelsea. In fact, he is the, like, I don't know why, guys. Everybody want Osimhen to come to Chelsea, except the owners. They are quiet. Everybody. Some few fans are still that debating Dila what and why. And for them, don't take them serious. If you don't see Osimhen coming to Chelsea, or you don't want Osimhen to come to Chelsea, then I don't think you want the progression of Chelsea. Because are you telling me that Jackson can be my striker, our striker next season? Yes, that means you are telling me that. Because if you are bringing Dilap, what showed that Dilap is better than Jackson? Even the Ekitike just want to sign. For me, unless he come and prove for me, I see. I haven't trust me enough. Yes, he scored some few goals, and we can't compare. Yes, the German league to the Premier League. We saw it so many occasions, just bringing in players from different leagues. At the end of the day, it didn't work. So for me, those who are against Osimhen coming to Chelsea, I don't think they like Chelsea. I don't think they want Chelsea to compete. Yes, for me, if you are talking about Delap, even if Chelsea will sign Delap, I will still sign Osimhen because Delap hasn't proven it. Yes, for me to be reliable on him, for me to trust him, to give him the shirt or the position as my Chelsea number 9. Next season, I'm playing Champions League. I need experience. I need a striker who can give me at least 25 to 30 goals per season striker. So Osimhen is all the way. And luckily, he's still on the list of Chelsea. Let's see. Now the transfer window is about to open. The season end. Yes, as we qualify for the Champions League, no excuse for our owners. This time around, no excuse because monies are coming soon. We are going to play the Club World Cup. If we win it, another money is coming. So, Todd Bowley, Eric Bailly, yesterday you were in the pitch after the final game. We saw you. You were hugging Maresca, what and what. Maresca is calling for experienced strikers. Maresca is calling for experienced players. Go and bring him that players for Chelsea to go and win the Premier League and the Champions League next season. Yes, you saw it this season. The Premier League is the definition of the world competition. There's no small team in the Premier League. Last day, Everton beat Newcastle. Who saw it coming? Manchester United beat Aston Villa. Yes, United is a big team, but on form-wise, yes, Aston Villa is better than United this season. So, Premier League, you have to have all the necessary equipment, the necessary tools to be able to compete or to stand the chance of competing. Want to talk of going ahead to win a trophy, a major trophy. So, guys, Osimhen is still on the list of Chelsea and also Sesko. Yes, Sesko information said that Chelsea is still, monitoring him also. And all these strikers, they are not bad too. They are not bad. And sometimes it is also about the manager tactics, players who can fit into his tactics well. Yes, sometimes it matters. That even matters most, a manager tactics. Can that striker fit into Enzo Maresca tactics? Can Osimhen fit into Enzo Maresca tactics? Can Sesko, can Victor Gyökeres fit into Enzo Maresca tactics? Guys, we need a striker. This is the season, the last summer Chelsea fans, we will able to tell or we can say that our owners are really serious. Our owners really knows that they bought Chelsea. Our owners really want Chelsea to compete. Our owners really want Chelsea to what? Win titles. This is the summer. We are going to know that everything will be what? Exposed. I'm telling you because everybody saw it. Jackson cannot be my striker. Robert Sanchez cannot be my goalkeeper. And we need a reliable centre backs also. So this is the summer. Todd Bowley, go and bring us that players. Eric Bailly, I know you are listening. I know you are watching. Go and bring us that players. Bluco, the consortium, go and sign Osimhen. Guys, this is the latest information from Chelsea camp as we are speaking now. And as I said, the season ended. I and my Chelsea brother, our preview will come in. Yes, another European competition, another European trophy for Chelsea to win again. In fact, Chelsea qualifying for Champions League that we didn't see coming. And Chelsea winning European trophy, Conference League. What a wow, what a season. Enzo Maresca, his first trophy, yes, as a coach, yes, as official manager. And the new owners, their first trophy, yes, since they bought Chelsea. Let's hope we'll go and win it. And the preview is coming, as I said. Also, more videos are coming. Now, Chelsea qualify for Champions League. Yes, what is next? What should Chelsea do? What should the players do? What should Enzo Maresca do? And what should the owners do? That video is also coming. So please turn on the notification bell. When videos come on this channel, you will be the first person to see it. And don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Yes, tell another Chelsea fan about this channel, Football Lions. Take care. Peace.